Guys, right before I was about to make this video, my last patient had kinetic sand all over the floor. It's okay though. I cleaned it up just for you. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jasmine if you didn't know, and today I'm going to give you guys a tour of my private practice office. Okay guys, so first we're going to talk about this little corner of the room over here. This is my desk area. So I have a file cabinet which keeps all of my client documents, assessments, all my good things in there. Got my little mini fridge. My desk is actually kind of a mess, but got my computer, cleaning supplies, my flags. I never forget where I am and my clients don't either. But honestly, my favorite part of this corner is this massive window. I don't know about y'all and y'all's speech journey, but I'm gonna go on a tangent for a second. In undergrad, we only had one classroom that had a window, and we were barely in it. Grad school, my classrooms didn't have any windows, and neither did the clinical rooms that we did clinic in. No windows. My first job, my fellowship, where I spent time after my fellowship, no windows. I was in a windowless office. So when I was looking for my own office, Jasmine said, you know what, I'm gonna get a window. And I did. I found a very large one, and it is fantastic. So right behind my desk is my couch area, and it kind of extends that way. The kids love playing on my couch because it's super soft. The table is climbable. They climb all over it. It's fun for them. It's fun for me. I have this giant blanket on the wall so that I can kind of dim some of the sound. Kids 0 to 5 especially love to scream a lot. So I just try to be kind to my neighbors and kind of dim that a little bit. So they also really have fun with the blanket because it's soft too. So the next space in my office is probably the kids' favorite spot, and it's this little tent / rug combo. This tent can change shapes because I have like a fort building kit which I got from Amazon, and honestly it's been super useful and fun for the kids. So right now it's just, you know, your basic tent. I love this language mat because it has so many different things going on, as you can see. I love these types of mats because you can use them for many different types of therapy, and honestly the options are endless. They're very colorful and fun as well. So the kids love this section. Honestly, I love it too. That's why I have it. So next to my tent section, I have all of my toys, which honestly I've been thinking about moving into my closed closet, but we'll see. We'll see what we're thinking. So down here I got my fort set. I've got my bag that I take with me to health fairs. I've got all my toys that are enclosable things that my kids can't access. I love those types of setups for toys because it gets them asking for assistance and it creates an opportunity for language. I try really hard not to keep something from the kids that come into my office, so they're clear bins. You can always access it when you want it. You just might need a little bit of help, and so that's when I come in and we have that opportunity for language. And here I have all of my assessments with the exception of the PLS. Everybody loves the PLS. I use it often, which is why it's not in there. I also have all of my activities, like paper activities if I want to do like a coloring page, a language sheet, something like that. All of that is in my binders in here. And then I've also got my printer where I get all my faxes, print all of my things that I want parents to take home, what have you. Finally, we have the door area, which I keep covered because it's glass for, you know, privacy reasons. Right there on top, I have my company name, logo, and name, so my clients can easily find me. I really enjoy this office because they do have a receptionist at the front, so if someone does come in and they're new perhaps, the receptionist will give me a call and let me know that my client's here. And some of my clients have gotten really comfortable in this spot and they'll just come back to my office by themselves. So guys, that is my office tour. I really love my office because, to be honest, it goes to show how far I've come on my own so far. As I told you guys in previous videos, when I started my private practice, I started with driving around to clients until I could kind of build up my caseload. And now that my caseload is big enough, it saves a lot of gas and mileage, even though you can write those things off, to just have one space where they can come. So having a space where all of my clients can come and enjoy, and I have a place to do my paperwork and do all of the things related to oral therapy has been really nice. If you guys have any questions, you have any videos you need me to make, you want to say hello, you know where to leave all of those things right down below. But until my next video, peace.